Phone today win. Next. ಮೂತಿ ತಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇದು ಮುಟ್ಟೆ ತೆರಚು
மோனிஷா
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
கிளாஸ் நடக்கும்போது எப்பயுமே மியூட்ல இருக்குமா, இல்லனா நீங்க உங்க சைடுல யாரா பேசினா கூட இங்க டிஸ்டர்ப் ஆகும். ஓகேவா? மியூட் போட தெரியும்ல?
ஓகே சார்.
சரி, இப்போ ஒரு தடவை போடுங்க பாப்போம். மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே.
ஓகே சார்.
ஓகே. ஹாப்பி மார்னிங் சார்.
ஹாப்பி மார்னிங் சார்.
நீ பாஸ்வேர்ட் கேக்குது. பாஸ்வேர்ட் என்ன? அது 4A யா?
कंट्रोल V போடுங்க.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
மோனிஷா
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
நான் தான் உங்களை மியூட் பண்ணேன். ஓகேவா? மியூட்ல இருங்க.
ஓகே சார்.
Good morning, sir.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, ma. Happy morning. Happy morning.
Happy morning, Dhruv.
Happy
morning to everybody.
Happy morning. Yeah, happy morning. 17 has joined. Guru is there. Sadish. Chandru, happy morning. Hajira madam, happy morning. Karthiyayan, happy morning. Deepika madam, happy morning. Shahrukh Khan, happy morning. Micromax, Sasikala, I think, happy morning. Monisha, happy morning. Mohan sir, happy morning. Davamani madam, Micromax, Madhira, happy morning.
Happy morning, sir.
Muthuganesh, happy morning. Yeah, happy morning, sir. Happy morning, sir. Happy morning. Very happy to meet you.
Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, sir. Sadish?
Yes, sir.
Happy morning, sir. Happy morning.
How long
sir.
we have to wait? How long we have to wait? Whether Shiva sir joined? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Happy morning, sir.
Srinivasan sir is also joining, sir.
Oh, Srinivasan is also joined.
Yes, sir. Joining.
Okay, happy morning to all. எல்லாரையும் நிறைஞ்ச சூரிய கிரகணத்துல சந்திக்கிறதுல ரொம்ப மகிழ்ச்சி.
Nice background music.
Thank you, pa. How long we should wait, Satish? Bala is happy morning.
Happy morning, sir. Happy morning.
Shiva sir.
Yes, sir.
Happy morning, sir. Are you ready, sir? Shall we start, sir?
Yeah,
Yes,
we
sir.
can start, sir.
Okay, sir. Happy morning to all.
Happy
I'm
morning,
very
Dhruv.
happy to welcome you all for the webinar
sir.
for post-corona talk. இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப சூப்பரான ஒரு முழுமையான டாபிக் கொரோனாவுக்காக நம்ம ஏற்கனவே என்னென்னலாம் பார்த்திருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா எப்படி ரீபில்ட் பண்றது டீமை, எப்படி டீமை கிரைசிஸ் டைம்ல மெயின்டைன் பண்றது, டீமா இருக்கிறது. இந்த மாதிரி டைம்ல உமனுக்கு நிறைய ஒன்னும் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கும். அது உமன் எம்பவர்மெண்ட்ல எப்படி அவங்க டாலரேட் பண்றது, அவங்களுக்கு பிரச்சனைகள் தீர்வுகள் எல்லாமே பார்த்தோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஜீரோ டவுன் பண்றது எப்படி, அந்த இதுல இருந்து ஃபுல்லா வெளியே வந்து நம்ம நார்மல் லைஃப் வாழ்றது எப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். எல்லாத்தையும் தாண்டி ஒரு முக்கியமான டாபிக் என்னது அப்படின்னா, கவர்மெண்ட் என்ன பண்ணாலும் யார் எது செஞ்சாலும் நம்ம நாமே பாத்துக்கிறதா. எப்படி ஒரு பாட்டு இருக்கு இல்லையா, திருடனாய் பார்த்து திருந்தாவிட்டால் திருட்டை ஒழிக்க முடியாது. அது மாதிரிதான் இப்ப நம்ம எல்லாம் ஒரு பயங்கரமான கிரைசிஸ்ல நம்ம அது பிடியில இருக்கோமா, அது நம்ம பிடியில இருக்கோமான்னு தெரியல. இப்ப கவர்மெண்ட் என்ன பண்ணாலும் யார் எது பண்ணாலும் இப்ப நம்ம கையில மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு. இப்போ அது அழகா சார் வந்துட்டு இன்னைக்கு ஒரு பிரசன்டேஷன் வடிவில உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்க போறாங்க. இப்ப கொரோனா வந்து நம்மள விட்டு போகணும் அப்படின்னா, இப்ப வேலை இருக்காச்சும் நிறைய வேலைக்கார இருக்காங்க, எல்லாரும் நம்ம வேலை வாங்க முடியாது. வேலை செய்யணும்னு மனசு இருக்கவங்க மட்டும் தான் நம்ம வேலை வாங்க முடியும். அது மாதிரிதான் கொரோனாவை ஒழிக்கணும்னா எல்லாராலையும் ஒழிச்சிட முடியாது, எதை பண்ண முடியாது. அந்த கொரோனா விட்டு போகணும், நம்மளை விட்டு போகணும், நம்ம நார்மல் லைஃப் லீட் பண்ணணும். இன்னொன்னு ஒருத்தரும் நம்ம தனி வழியில நின்று ஜெயிச்சோம்னா, நம்ம சோசியல் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஆரம்பிச்சு என்னென்ன சொல்றாங்களோ அது எல்லாமே தனி மனித முயற்சி மட்டும்தான் இப்ப கொரோனாவை வெல்லுன்ற சூழல் வந்துடுச்சு. அதனால அந்த தனி மனிதனா சோசியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி என்னெல்லாம் எடுத்துக்கலான்றத நம்ம சிவா சார் சிஇஓ அவர்கள் இன்னைக்கு நமக்கு கொடுக்க போறாங்க. அவங்க ஏற டெக்னிக்கல் லீடா இருக்காங்க. சிவா சாரை வெல்கம் பண்றதுக்கு நான் குருபாண்டியன் சாரை ரெக்வஸ்ட் பண்றேன். குருபாண்டி, I request you to introduce Shiva sir.
Thank you, Thiru. First of all, very good morning on the a great Sunday. I welcome everybody for this event. So first of all, it's a great honor to me to introduce Mr. Shiva Kumar. I know Shiva from last 20 years. He is one of my best and close friend, and a very good, and he's a very good human being, as everybody knows. Yes, no, personally, yeah, I know how he started his life from the scratch, and he is also having a wonderful family. So apart from the personal background, we need to touch about official. Shiva, as a whole, he is having overall 14 or 15 plus years of experience in finance domain, and as well as in the project management. He did his MBA in finance, as well as he's holding a degree in commerce to complete finance domain. And he also gone through many process and implementation during his adventures, and he technically very sound in finance and cost controls. Also, Shiva known for he managed or he worked in multinational companies, and he worked with multiple clients and customers across global. As we all know, Shiva, he's having a ability to handle high pressures environment, as we all know, during the crisis times. And the best what I can do, what I can mention about Shiva within single quote is he is having the great ability to make the situation from impossible to possible. That explain that a best definition for Shiva Kumar. So so since we do not have much time, I have these bullet points for Shiva, and finally Shiva welcomes to give you a great session to us. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Guru. It is a wonderful introduction. Even know that many faces Shiva sir has, being a human. Okay, I'm just missing him now, and he is filled with the potential, not only technical skills in a normal way. Whenever I discuss something, that he'll be thinking in a lateral way. A new idea, new dimension will come. I witnessed many times, sir. I am very happy to have you today, sir. Okay, this is 4th webinar. The 5th webinar is also there. Whatever happening in the world, we know the webinar we planned every week. Next week also we planned a wonderful webinar series 5. அதுல நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா ஃபினான்ஷியல் கிரைசிஸ் எப்படி நம்ம தனி மனிதனாவும் நாட்டுக்குமே உலகத்துக்குமே ஃபினான்ஸ் எப்படி நம்ம மேனேஜ் பண்றதுக்காக நம்ம யூனிவர்சிட்டில இருந்து ஒரு ப்ரொஃபசர் வராங்க, அருள்முருகன் சார். அதுக்கப்புறமா மொபைல் செயலிகள், இப்போ மொபைல் ஆப் எல்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, இது மாதிரி கிரைசிஸ்ல எந்த மாதிரி மொபைல்லாம், ஹெல்த் ஹசார்ட் மொபைல்லாம் என்ன இருக்கு, எஜுகேஷனுக்கு அதுல எப்படி சப்போர்ட் பண்றதுக்கான டாக் இருக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக். இப்போ வித்வுட் டிலேயிங் மச் மோர் டைம், ஓகே, நான் ஐ ரெக்வெஸ்ட் சிவா சார் டு டேக் தி செஷன். Thank you very much, sir. Very happy. Before that, Srinivasan sir, you are also there. Thank you for your presence. Thank you. Sir, you can proceed,
so much,
sir.
Guru. Thank you, Through sir, for your wonderful introduction, etc. And welcome you all for the last session of the webinar 4. And I think we have discussed last 2 days many things, and Srinivasan sir explained a lot of things, and you might be having more knowledge on the COVID-19 at present. So what we are going to talk about today, so how you have to be responsible during this COVID-19, what type of support you can give to the nation or your society or your family. So this is what we are going to discuss in detail today. During keeping a time constraint, I will give a high level picture to you so that you can correlate and you can get more information related to that. So what are the points we are going to discuss today? Just understand about the COVID-19. What is COVID-19? Definitely we all know, so we are facing this last 3 months and everybody is talking about Corona only. Right? So I'll just give a short introduction what is COVID-19 and then common symptoms. What are the symptoms of COVID-19 and how it spreads, and what is the prevention measures, and how you have to be a social responsibility. So these are the topics we are going to discuss. The first 5 points I'll just give you a highlights, right? I'm not going to talk in detail because we have discussed a lot in the last 2 days. Okay, and then finally question answer. If you have anything, you can ask any of your questions. Now, if you have, whenever you get a time, you can also post it in the chat. So at the last, we'll try to answer your questions. Okay. So what is the COVID-19? COVID-19 is the new virus which is which we identified in the month of December 2019. This started in the Wuhan location of China. Okay, initially it was identified. After that, this is actually treated as the pandemic because this virus is spread across the. Okay, if you see now, almost 180 plus countries the coronavirus is exists, and everywhere if you see, right, the spread ratio is very high. Okay, at the moment there is no specific vaccine or the treatment for this COVID-19. That is why you have to be more careful and you should follow the government guidelines. That is why the government is giving a lot of awareness and the etc. what you should do, what you should not do. So you have to listen the government's announcement periodically, and you need to follow the rules whatever they are saying. This is the first thing. So apart from that, you can also check the periodic updates in the website, which is our government website, and also there is a if whenever there is a crisis or something, you can call the number also. There is a number for the toll-free number also. You have a dialing number. You have mail also. You can post whatever it is. Apart from that, there is a one app also, RHSO app, that you know you might have come across in many TV channel advertisement and the paper advertisement from your social medias also. This will give you a guideline where the places, which place is critical and you should not go or something. So you'll get an idea about that. That is useful for this app. You can also use this app if you want any information about the COVID-19. That actually will save you. You should not go to these particular places, kind of things. Okay, so the common symptoms. What are the symptoms of the COVID-19? One is high fever. The fever will go 37 degrees Celsius, also beyond that as well. This is the first symptom. Second thing is tiredness and headache. This is another symptom. This would be actually, it would not be like your regular symptoms. It will be beyond the your regular headache or the fever. It will have a lot of fever and tiredness. You cannot do your normal things during that time. Second thing, third one is the dry cough. The cough, you will have a lot of cough and it will not experience anything. It will not have anything from your lung, but you will have a cough. The continuous cough will be there. Fourth thing is the breathing problem. You will have a lot. You will have a problem while breathing. You cannot breathe your normal breath. So these are the main symptoms during the COVID, if you have a COVID virus or the COVID issues. So if you find any person who is having these symptoms, you can also refer to the nearest health center, or you can also call the doctor or something. You can say, you can also advise them to go and meet the doctor kind of things. Any questions so far? Okay, so how it spreads? One is the this spreads normally. It's not spreads through air. It's spreads through the physical transmit only. So if someone has the COVID virus, right? So if he cough or if he sneeze something, right, that will spill in the ground or your any of the objects. From that, whenever you touch, right, it spreads to the another person. Okay, so you can see the simple things. So what are the how it spreads, etc. You will have one is by infected person. That infected droplets can spill into your any of the object. So from that, it can spread into your hand. From your hand, when you touches your face, it can harm. And also, whenever you are touching the other person, right? So like shake hand or something, whenever you are doing hug or something, so during that time also it can spread. So that is why during this COVID, the government is always saying that keep social distancing. Okay, you should not have a direct interaction with the person who is having COVID. Okay, so this is a way how the virus gets transferred from one person to another person. Then how we can protect ourselves from this disease? One is wash your hand with an alcohol-based sanitizer or with soap and water. You should clean your hands regularly whenever you are going out and coming back. You should clean your wash, face, and legs, everything. This is the first thing which will. Second thing, so keep a distance at least 1 meter between yourself and anyone who cough or sneezes. Always, it's whether they have a cough or not, better to keep away at least 1 meter minimum. This is the second thing. So third one, not to touch your face or eyes, right? So without cleaning your hand. So this will make you to spread faster. So one is clean your voice, hand and properly, then keep distance. Third one, don't touch your face or eyes without washing your hands. Fourth, cover your mouth. So wear mask. Mask is very important. This will reduce your spread. This will protect you from the other person's transformation, right? So this will help in both the way. From you also it will not spread to others. From others also it will not affect you. This is the best way to keep up your mouth. Then whenever required, seek a medical attention. If you feel that you have symptoms, COVID symptoms, better to seek a medical attention immediately. And follow the directions of your national or local health authority. Whatever the direction they are giving, follow that. Next, don't travel unnecessarily, right? If you need any required travel, only you try, otherwise don't travel. Also, if anyone comes from the out of station, right? So if you feel that they might have symptoms, better you can suggest them to go and visit the doctor, or they can keep themselves separated. So isolation only will help because this will not only help them and also it will help others. It will not spread others. So isolation is important. Whether you or someone has that symptoms, better to isolate from the crowd, from the social gathering. Okay. So what are the social responsibility of a citizen? So far we have seen what is COVID-19 and how it spreads, and what is the preventive measures we can step out from that. So these are the things. Now, when it comes to social responsibility, this is the main thing, right? This government is putting a lot of effort to control the spread. But however, if you do not follow that, then everything is vain, right? So better we should have a responsibility. Okay, this will save you, and also it will save your neighbors, your relatives, your family. Okay. So one, keep yourself in the best possible health. Sleep well, eat healthy, and be physically active. Follow the do's and don'ts suggested by the government or your local authorities. This is the first thing. Keep yourself fit. Second, keep at least a distance of 1 to 2 meters away from others, even if they appear well, and avoid direct contact with them. Avoid non-essential travel and mass gathering. Avoid visiting hospital and other medical facilities unless you need medical care. Right? So here the thing is, if any normal fever, do not go to hospital. Only if you have COVID symptoms, then go to hospital. Otherwise, avoid going to hospitals or medicals or etc. Okay, try to save from yourself at the home. So don't go out. Clean your surroundings, your environments thoroughly, regularly, right? Your whatever the people, right, coming and touching, whatever the regular used object, clean properly, disinfect them also. So this will help you in many cases, right? It'll, even if somebody has that, this will clear the viruses and other things. It will not. It will prevent you from spreading to others. Focus on the effects of COVID-19. Understand the risk to yourself and those you care about. See, if you do not understand the impact of this COVID-19, this will not only harm you, it will also harm you the entire society, entire surrounding, wherever you are going, right? So better keep away from others. Take a breaks from listening to watching, or this is the important point, right? Nowadays, what happened? The corona spreading is fast or not, but the social media spreading that very fast. Okay, don't listen too much on the other things. Don't watch channels or something. You can watch channels and the news, but it should be a limited. Don't take it at the high level, right? So including social media, separate the facts and the rumors. That you should know what is fact and what is rumor, because they are saying the sunlight will save you. That is and all is not a proper one. It's just rumor. Okay, because we have now 42° plus in India, but still the spread ratio is very high. Okay, so distinguish what is the rumors and what is the facts. So act according to the fact, not the rumors. This is why you have to be only gather the information from the reliable source. The government is having a website. Government is keep on updating all the information in the website. Follow that website. Only act to that. Don't act other social medias, forwarding message, etc. Stay home if you do not feel well. Even if you do not feel well, right? So keep away from others. Even if you feel mild symptoms such as headache, fever, seek medical attention if necessary. If you feel that, right, the symptoms are not normal and it is like COVID symptoms, then better to consult a doctor immediately. And also isolate from you others, right? Don't mingle with others during that time. Follow care instruction from your healthcare provider and local health department. Whatever the information they are giving periodically, follow that information and act according to that. Okay, so also you know your helpline numbers. Keep it with you. This, whether it helps you or not, it also can be helpful to others. Also give your whatever the information you know, you give to your surrounding. Tell them, even if they are hesitate to go to hospital, if they hesitate to disclose their information, you help them, you tell them, no, you have to go and meet a doctor, you have to give your proper information. Even if they have anyone from the travel history, if he comes from the either abroad or any other city or city, so you can tell them better to consult a doctor, take the test. If it is negative, then you can be here, otherwise it will be a problem to others as well. Okay, so just be safe. Together we will win this battle, because we have come across many issues earlier. Like this is the only virus, because we have plenty of virus in past also. From each and everything, we came out of that situation. Again, from this COVID-19 also, we can come out of this uneasily. Okay, you only have to follow, keep distance from others for some time, and also take healthy food. Okay, only 3 things can save you from this COVID. One is health hygiene, environment hygiene, and the food hygiene. This only will keep us safe from the other spreads. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thanks. So, if you have any questions now, you can raise your questions.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. It is
Thank
a
you,
great,
sir.
yeah. It is very plain and very neat. Okay, to the point, to the core. Being a person, okay, with the corona community, how to get back, how to isolate, how to remove. Okay, individual need to do. Okay, you have listed out in clear way, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much.
Any
Thank you.
feedback? Okay, feedbacks. Any feedback and questions you can ask. Okay.
Thank
Student,
you, Siva.
staff, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Very good
Sir,
presentation, Siva. So thank you very much. It is as Thiru said, it is content to the core, and yeah, so it is very useful to the team and to the community. I really appreciate for the great presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Yes, Karthikeyan. You want to ask something?
sir, one question, sir.
Yeah.
சார் சிம்டம்ஸ் வந்து சொன்னாங்க, ஆனா வந்து there is no effect, பட் சிம்டம்ஸ் வந்து பரவுது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி சொன்னாங்க. அது எப்படி சார்? நீங்க வந்து சிம்டம்ஸ் வந்து கொஞ்சம் சொன்னீங்க, ஓவர் ஃபீவரா இருக்கும் அந்த இதெல்லாம் சொன்னீங்க, பட் எந்த ஒரு சிம்டம்ஸும் இல்லாம நார்மலா அது பரவுது, இது எப்படி இட் இஸ் பாசிபிள்?
So that is also, see, earlier we were saying only it will spread with the symptoms, right? Now, because it is based on your health capacity also. For some people, right, it will not, you cannot feel that immediately, but it will directly impact also. It is because somebody will have immune power, more immune power. For them, it will spread without even the symptoms. When it impacts, immediately you need to consult a doctor.
Okay, sir.
Good question, Karthikeyan. See, also one more, the latest information is Glenmark Pharma as government also has approved one medication, right? It's tablet. But even if you have a tablet, right, the cost is too high. If one person has a COVID, right, if you want a cure, I'm not sure whether it will get cure or not, but you will need to spend minimum 25,000 rupees for that tablet alone. The consulting and etc. will be there. The consulting test and other things will have extra. But that is still not tested. Government has approved today only. They have news announced. You can use this medication, but still it is not tested for many people. Okay, so only one thing is it will see, because you have a health issue also and also economic issue. If you have a COVID problem, keep yourself safe and also educate others to be safe. Any other question?
Any questions? Who is that? You can share your views, questions. Any kind of feedbacks? Hajira madam, you have unmuted. You want to ask a question? Any suggestion?
No, sir.
Okay. Anything else? Anybody there? Mohan sir is there?
Hello, sir. Happy morning, sir.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, sir. Sir, I want to ask whether any medicines are found, sir.
Yes, sir. Just told no.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you can answer, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, is your link is okay, sir?
But I said the cost. Satish?
Satish?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Satish, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Satish, is your question answered?
Sorry, sir. I can't able to get it properly, sir, because of network issue.
Okay, now
okay.
is it now it is okay, no?
Yes, sir. Now it is clear, sir. Sir, the question
Yes,
is
sir, sure, sir.
whether any drugs has been found, sir.
Yes, Satish, there is a tablet name called Feviferry is recently launched by
Okay, sir.
Glenmark Pharma. But that is again, you need to take at least 25,000 rupees worth of tablets, right? They are suggesting you need to take 18 tablets per time. 9 tablets per time and 18 tablets per day, 2 times. And then for the remaining 13 days, you need to take 4 tablets per time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, per tablet cost is 103 rupees. If you calculate right, minimum 25,000 rupees you need to spend for tablet alone. Apart from that, consulting and everything, etc., would be there.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more
That
question,
is
sir.
the reason-
Yes, sir. Yes, please, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
One more question, sir. So if I tested corona positive, if I want to take that tablet directly from medical means, whether it is okay or whether I have to go to doctor, sir.
Because they have not said that you can. I think you will not get it directly from the medical without the proper testing, etc. Okay, these tablets is mainly used for the COVID symptoms people. That without testing, you will not come to know whether you will have a symptom.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, any questions? Any suggestion? Any input to improve the webinar? We would like to hear from Mohan sir, Mohana madam, a few words. Can you add, sir? Add, ma'am?
Sir, happy morning to everyone, sir.
Yes, sir.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, sir.
everyone.
Happy morning, sir.
Because, sir,
Happy morning, sir.
select all these messages. So he is getting ready for he spend in his time like 1 hour, 2 hour. He gave the good presentation, sir. So thank
Yes,
you
sir.
very much, Shiva sir. And so Guru sir is introducing very good. Spend lot of time to introduce it. So that's also very nice. So everyone has to get ready how to use the presentation. Like that, in future, whoever coming, so spend some time, give good presentation. My suggestion.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. It will be, sir. It will be, sir. Today's audience of mothers,
Very good, sir. Thank you
today's
so much for
participants
your,
of mothers will be the presenter for tomorrow, sir.
Definitely, sir. It was valuable feedback, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you all. இப்போ வேற ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருந்தா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், கன்க்ளூட் பண்ணலாம். Any questions? Last 1 minute. I'm leaving to the participant. Ask any question or give some suggestions. Feedback forms are ready, and you have to fill. You can get your certificate, and just you kindly visit our Facebook and YouTube channel, and elaborate your comments Okay, just you need not to restrict with one word or two word. Just you elaborate mothers. Okay, whatever you feel about mothers, no. Just two forums are active with us. One is Facebook and YouTube. Just visit at least. If even you want to take some more time to comment, no, just have a visit first. Okay.
Thank you to the management team for the wonderful opportunity, and also thank you for the very good topic. Because the topic was suggested by you, it was really, I was very impressed with the name itself. And thank you to everyone for the opportunity and your support. Please like the Facebook page, follow the Facebook page. Also reach out to us if you have any questions, right? Because all the Facebook page links, etc., are there in the link, right? So we have a website also, Facebook page, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Google page, everywhere is there. You can follow that, and you can also click the can me image, so you will get a website.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Balaji, you want to say something?
Sir?
Just you unmuted. Sasikala madam unmuted. Want to say something?
So first of all, I would like to thank for Shiva giving such a wonderful session, sir. So since there was a queue, I want to be at the last. That's why I was waiting. Sir, I special thank for Shiva sir for doing such a session, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So yesterday's session, the today's sessions both give us pre and the post preventive measures of corona. Really, it was so helpful, sir. Really, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Balaji.
Thank you, pa. Thank you, pa.
Sir.
Okay,
So,
small announcement.
Nice.
Yeah.
Regarding the
Next
feedback
week,
form only,
okay.
sir.
Yeah, you tell. Just you.
ஸோ இப்போ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க, நம்ம ஸ்டாஃப்ஸ் எல்லாமே ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. உங்களோட சர்டிஃபிகேட்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு ரீச் அவுட் பண்ணணும்னா உங்களுக்கு கீழே இந்த சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஃபீட்பேக் ஃபார்ம் வந்துட்டு நான் சென்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஓகேவா? அதை கிளிக் பண்ணி உங்களோட டீடைல்ஸ் ப்ராப்பரா ஃபில் பண்ணி உங்களோட இமெயில் ஐடி கரெக்டா போட்டீங்கன்னா மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா சர்டிஃபிகேட்ஸ் வந்து சேரும். ஓகேவா? அதை இப்போ கிளிக் பண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இன்னும் 2 minutesல அது க்ளோஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் கிடைக்காது. அந்த ஃபீட்பேக் ஃபார்ம் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ சார்.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ பா. இப்பதான் உலகத்துல இருந்து ஹேஷ்டேக் உருவாகிட்டு இருக்க போஸ்ட் கோவிட் சீனரியோ. ஆனா நம்ம 3 வாரமா பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்பதான் அந்த டேக் இப்பதான் அவங்க ஒன்னொன்னா பிளான் பண்றாங்க. ஆஃப்டர் கொரோனா how world will be there, how business will be there, how team will be there. நம்ம மனுஷன் தனியா எப்படி இருக்கிறது இப்பதான் என்ன அப்படின்னா போஸ்ட் கோவிட் சீனரியோ இப்பதான் இனிஷியேட் பண்றாங்க. But we are talking about post corona about 3 weeks. Really it is a milestone to the mothers. Thank you Mohan sir, Mohana madam for readily accepting for doing this kind of activity at our school. It is இதுக்கு தனியா என்ன வேணும், இதுல வருமானம் எதுவும் கிடையாது, இதனால எதுவுமே கிடையாது. இருந்தாலும் நம்ம பண்ணலாம், ஆக்டிவா இருக்கலாம், நம்ம ஏதோ நம்ம சமுதாயத்துக்கு சொல்லலாம்னு எப்பயுமே மெக்னானிமஸா இதுல எதுவும் பார்க்காம ரெடியா அப்ரூவல் கொடுக்குற மோகனா மேடமுக்கும் மோகன் சாருக்கும் சிவா சாருக்கும் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் டீமுக்கும் கண்டிப்பா என்னுடைய நன்றி தெரிவிச்சிருக்கேன். டெய்லியுமே இதுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ற நம்மளுடைய ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நம்ம ஸ்டாஃப்க்கு எல்லாருக்கும் நன்றி சொல்றேன். அடுத்த வாரம் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு டாபிக் போஸ்ட் கோவிட் சினரியோல ஃபினான்ஸ் நம்ம எப்படி மேனேஜ் பண்றது, தனியா உலகத்துல இருந்துட்டு கண்ட்ரி வழியா வந்து இண்டிவிஜுவல் ஃபினான்ஸ் எப்படி மேனேஜ் பண்றதுக்காக நமக்கு ஒரு செமினார் அடுத்த வாரம் கொடுக்க போறாங்க. பாண்டிச்சேரி யூனிவர்சிட்டில இருந்து நம்மளுக்கு வராங்க டாக்டர் வி அருள்முருகன். அவர் இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஸ்பீக்கர், அவர் உலகம் ஃபுல்லா பேசுறவரு. நம்மளுக்கு கவர்மெண்ட் டீம்ல இருக்கிற பினான்சியல் கிரைசிஸ் வரும்போது இது மாதிரி டைம்ல எப்படி மேனேஜ் பண்றதுக்கான நல்ல அட்வைசரா இருக்காரு. அவரு நமக்காக ஒரு 1/2 hour ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ண செஞ்சிருக்காரு. அடுத்த வாரமே பர்சனல் பினான்ஸ் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்ல இருந்துட்டு குளோபல் பினான்ஸ் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் வரைக்குமே ஒரு ஓவராலா வியூ கொடுக்க போறாரு. அதுக்கப்புறம் மொபைல் அப்ளிகேஷன் நம்மகிட்ட எல்லாத்தையுமே இருக்கு, எல்லாத்தையும் ஆண்ட்ராய்டு மொபைல் இருக்கு, அதை எப்படி எஃபெக்டிவா யூஸ் பண்றோம். இன்னும் சிலர் என்ன பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த ஸ்மார்ட் போனை போனுக்கு மட்டும் யூஸ் பண்றாங்க, சிலர் கேமுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. அதையும் தாண்டி இது மாதிரி ஒரு கிரைசிஸ்ல ஒரு கொரோனா இருக்கிற டைம்ல எந்த மாதிரியான மொபைல் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் நமக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணும், எந்த மாதிரியான மொபைல் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் நமக்கு ஹெல்த் ஃபுல்லாவே எல்லா விதமான ஹெல்த் மானிட்டர் பண்ண முடியும், எஜுகேஷன் எப்படி ஹெல்ப் பண்ண முடியும்ன்றதுக்காக பாண்டிச்சேரியில இருந்துட்டு ஒரு உதயகுமார்னு ஒருத்தர் ப்ரோக்ராம் ஆபீசர், என்எஸ்எஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம் ஆபீசரா இருந்து இப்ப கெமிஸ்ட்ரியில டீச்சரா இருந்து நிறைய சோசியல் சர்வீஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிற ஒருத்தவங்க நம்மளுக்கு வராங்க. இன்னொரு ஸ்பீக்கர் பிளான் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். எவ்ரி வீக் வில் ஹாவ் மீட், நம்ம இந்த மாதிரி பேசலாம், நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நமக்குள்ள ரெஃப்ரெஷ் பண்றதுக்கான வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. எல்லாருமே உங்களுடைய ஆதரவும் உங்க மூலமாவும் நிறைய பார்ட்டிசிபேட்